It's August the 27th, and today we got the doors installed. These two that shield us from the jet winds. When it's storming, we can pull the Breezeway doors closed, and at least we have some protection behind the Breezeway doors. Today I started on this gable right up here. It was bare wood this morning, and I did all, well, the opening, Grant's Pass. That's this piece that you see, the opening that you see right in the middle of the gable face. That door, that opening needed to be plumbed up a little bit, so it took a couple hours to get straightened out. And then the remaining of the morning, we dealt with putting up the Tyvek. And then this afternoon, I dealt with the soffit that you can see on the far side. That, by the way, that side of the roof is short. This other side's pretty long. Anyway, so about 20 feet of soffit. I had to put the blocking in first so that I had something for it to nail to. And it's been pretty much a long day, but it's looking pretty good already. So I think if I can get to this tomorrow, we should be in pretty good shape. I'll have to build a door this weekend. But in doing that, I had to kind of get the soffit page. This piece, this right up here, was the first soffit that we actually put in. There are some pieces of tape right here. This is how I learned that the trusses weren't even, because there were little dips, and the piece of soffit actually came a little too low, and it actually protruded below the actual piece of fascia. So I took those pieces off today, trimmed the trusses so that everything is nice and level, and it's pretty good to go now. The reason I can't close everything up, you can see just how much wire we have for the garage. That's, I think I got two 20 amp circuits for each wall. So we shouldn't have a problem plugging anything in the garage. So I believe it's gonna be our makeshift kitchen when we end up bulldozing this side. Not really bulldozing, but taking this side down and rebuilding it. That's it for today.